Hi everybody, we're going to do a garden flag, 12 by 18 faux burlap, and Jennifer's going to help us press it. Okay, our first step is going to make sure that we have our butcher paper, our bleached white butcher paper. Do not use brown craft paper, it could leave a stain. So we're going to do a pre-press. And because this is a sewed item with stationary sides, unlike a pillow, which is curved and can move, we're going to do a pre-press of 30 seconds. Medium pressure, 390 degrees. First one, a lint roll. We're going to cover with our butcher paper. We're going to do 30-second pre-press, 390 degrees. It's going to go down a little bit, but it'll come back up. It's medium pressure, 4 out of 8. So we're just going to do this for 30 seconds, so it heats up both sides evenly, so we have no shrinkage that one side has that the other might not. So this way it'll keep straight. Okay, there's your 30 seconds, honey. It's my wife. Just letting you all know. Okay, now shake it out. Let it cool. Okay. Make sure you have your top lined up.
With the stupid lint roller.
Make sure that you know that your top has the hole for the flag.
I need the spritz, please.
Okay. That's just very little. Lay your design and center it. Make sure that you put your paper over the top to protect your planting. And we're going to press for 1 minute. The pressure the temperature went down to 385, so I'm going to give it 10 extra seconds. Because it never came all the way back up. You can see now it's just slowly climbing. Okay, you can open the press. Nice and slow, so we don't make the image jump. And we have our beautiful faux burlap garden flag. Shake it off the cooler, please. Okay. That's just to help drop the pressure to make sure sublimation process stops.
And just to show for the people that asked about the color, it didn't bleed, it didn't lose much of the color.
Right, the colors are pretty true. It's a little bit of a color shift, of course, because it's not on a white background, but it looks beautiful. Thank you, everybody.